Welcome back. Which of the following are not the effects of parathyroid hormone? So before going into this, let's revise the topic. There are 4 parathyroid glands. They are present on the backside of thyroid gland. Okay, one pair each in the 2 lobes of thyroid gland. So total 4 glands. The hormone which is secreted is parathyroid hormone. It is a peptide hormone. So thyrocalcitonin will tone down, it will decrease the level of calcium in blood, and parathyroid will act opposite to thyrocalcitonin. It is going to increase the calcium levels in blood. So to increase the calcium levels in blood, it is going to remove calcium from bones. It is called dissolution or demineralization, and the right word is bone resorption. So this is one way to increase blood calcium levels. The other 2 ways are increased reabsorption of calcium from the renal tubules, from kidney. So any kind of loss from urine will be avoided by this reabsorption, and again absorption will be increased from the digestive food. So from digestive system, from urinary system, and from bone. Collectively, this will lead to increase in the calcium level, and this is the reason parathyroid hormone is called hypercalcemic hormone. It increases blood calcium level. So now we will have to check which of the following are not the effects of parathyroid hormone. It stimulates the process of bone resorption. Yes, it does. We have to look for not the effects. So since A is the role of parathyroid hormone, A cannot be the answer. Strike it off. A is wrong. Next one. See, B is common here. So either C or D, rule out between these two. C is reabsorption of calcium by renal tubules. This is also the role of parathyroid hormone. So C cannot be the answer. So D and E has to be the answer. So option 2 is the correct answer of this question. D is decreases the absorption of calcium. Decreases the absorption, no, it increases, and increases metabolism of carbohydrates. E.